Namaste bachcho. Myself Jeevin Dr. Monica Trivedi. Today I am going to teach you about tertiary phosphine as a ligand material. This topic belongs to inorganic chemistry second MSc chemistry second semester. Okay, so student, what are tertiary phosphines? The general formula of tertiary phosphine is a PR3. They are important kind of ligands because this kind of ligands present in the metal which are studied in organometallic chemistry. So, organometallic chemists are very much interested about the phosphine ligands. Okay. So these some example of the phosphine ligand like phosphine, trimethyl phosphine, triphenyl phosphine, methyl. Methyl diphenyl phosphine, trifluorophosphines. These are some kind of ligands having complexes which are present in organometallic chemistry. You can see here another example like PAMP, DI, PAMP. These all are some example of phosphine ligands present in the complexes. Like NR3, phosphine have a long pair on the central atom that can be donated to the metal. Okay, unlike NR3, they are also pi acidic acids to an extract that depend on the nature of R group present on the PR3 ligand. From alkyl phosphine, the pi acidity is weak. Aryl aryl amino and alkoxy groups are successfully more effective in the promoting pi acidity. The extreme case of PR3, the pi acidity become great as the found for the CO compounds like CO ligands. In a case of CO ligand, the pi orbital accept electron from the metal and the sigma star orbital of the PR bond play the role for the acceptor in a PR3 or phosphine ligand. Okay, so the phosphine ligand have the general formula PR3 where R is alkyl aryl group, H is a halide. Okay, closely related the phosphine ligand which have the general formula POR3. Both phosphine and the phosphate are the neutral to electron donate. That bind to the transition metal through their lone pair. Okay, so they behave like a neutral. They can't donate the electron, but they combine with the metal by the lone pair. Okay, so the bonding in phosphine ligand like that the carbonyl can be thought as having two important compounds. The primary compound is a sigma donating and the phosphine lone pair is an empty orbital in the metal donated the phosphine lone pair to the empty orbital of the metal. The second common characteristic is the back donation from the field metal orbital to the empty orbitals of the phosphine ligand. These empty phosphorus orbital has been described as being either the d orbital or an antibonding sigma orbitals. Okay, so here you can see the energy diagram of phosphine ligand. Okay, and here the empty orbitals of metal combines with the field orbital of the phosphine ligand and create a sigma bond, and in another diagram you can see the field orbital of a metal combines with the vacant orbital of ligand and create a pi bonding. Okay, so as an electron withdrawing or electronegative group are replaced on the phosphorus atom, the sigma donating capacity of the phosphine ligand tends to decrease. At that time, the energy of the pi acceptor or a sigma star on phosphorus is lowered in energy, providing an increasing in the back bonding ability. Therefore, the phosphine can exhibit a range of a sigma donor or a pi acceptor capabilities, and the electron properties of the metal center can be turned by the substitution on a electronically different but isostatic phosphines. Okay, so if the complex is certain like a carbonyl ligand, then a CO stretching frequency can be used as an indicator of the electron density at the metal metal, the lower the value of the CO stretching frequency, the greater the back bonding to the metal, thus the increase the electron density of at a metal ion. So here is the order of phosphine ligand of following order. You can see if we go from left to right, the pi acidity increases, and if we go from right to left, the sigma donation capacity increases. So this is all about for phosphine ligand. Thank you very much. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you satisfied with my session. If you have any query, please comment me. Thank you.